What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. Today, I got another Samsung portable SSD from Costco. This is the T7 Touch. So I guess it has more or less like a fingerprint security feature on it, as it says right on the front right there. Protect your data up to 1,000 megabytes a second. And this is a 2 terabyte external SSD. Works with Windows, Mac, and Android. 8mm in thickness, 85mm in width, 57mm in height. 58 grams in weight, up to 1,000 megabytes read speed, 1,000 megabytes write speed, supporting USB 3.2 Gen 2, 10 gigabytes per second. Emotional design, motion LED to show product status, intuitively, slim and lightweight metal body. For security, optional data protection with software, password and fingerprint recognition, AES 256-bit hardware encryption, and this also comes with a 3-year warranty. Compatibility, support for PCs, phones, and other devices. Inside the box, you're going to get the portable SSD T7 Touch, the USB 3.2 USB-C to A cable, the USB-C to USB-C cable, quick start guide, and a warranty statement. Here is my very first T7 SSD right here. So I have reviewed this one before, and here I guess is more or less like the upgraded luxury one with the fingerprint recognition. And also, too, when I do unbox it, I will be doing a comparison test in size to this SSD T7. First thing you're going to be greeted with is the T7 Touch. Here's your USB-C to USB-A cable. And here's your USB-C to USB-C cable. And you also get the warranty statement as well as the installation guide. Now we're back to the T7 Touch. As you can see right here, this is where your fingerprint recognition is. On one side, you have a USB-C port, and on the back, you have the make and model of the SSD, Samsung Portable SSD T7 Touch. And now a comparison with the both T7s. The regular T7 is on the left, and the T7 Touch is on the right in black. Guess what? These are pretty much the same exact size. I think the regular T7 actually has a status light right here, whereas this one doesn't. I got 2 of them now, which is good. So pretty much I have 4 terabytes of storage, 2 terabytes each. So that's pretty good. One I'm going to take on the go. One I could leave at home. So I got memory all over now, and that's perfect. Now, I picked up the T7 from Costco.com. Originally, it was $160. I got it on sale for $99.99, so I thought that was pretty good. And overall, I like the black color of the T7 Touch as opposed to this gray one, this gray regular T7. You know, other than the little quirky fingerprint recognition for the T7 Touch, I really didn't care about it. I just got another one because I saw it on Costco.com. It was a great deal. And also, too, my other alternatives were the SanDisk Extreme SSDs, which I heard people had a lot of problems with. I decided I'm going to stick with Samsung. You know, I love Samsung as far as monitors, TVs, and now external SSDs. So, but yeah, guys, that's all I got for you in this video today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Peace.